You can completely transform your body into that sharp V-taper look. Wider shoulders, tighter waist, way faster than you think, if you train the right way. Most guys spend months in the gym, doing chest, arms, random workouts, and still look the same. No V-shape, no width, no aesthetic look. Meanwhile, some people build that anime-style physique in just weeks. Why? Because they're not training harder, they're training smarter. Stick till the end, because the last technique I'm going to share is the one that instantly makes your waist look smaller, even if you're not fully lean yet. Most people completely ignore it. All right, let's break this down simply. The V-taper is just two things: wide upper body, narrow waist. That's it. But the execution is where most people mess up. 1. Build width, not just size. Forget just getting big. You want width. Focus on pull-ups or lat pull-downs, lateral raises, rear delt exercises. These hit your lats and shoulders, the two muscles that create that V illusion. Here's the mistake. People spam chest and biceps. But your chest doesn't make you look wider from the front. Your shoulders and lats do. If you can only do one thing, do pull-ups every single day, even 5 to 10 reps. Consistency builds that width fast. 2. Shrink the waist the smart way. You don't need 1,000 crunches. In fact, overtraining abs can actually make your waist look thicker. Instead, stay in a slight calorie deficit. Avoid heavy oblique exercises like heavy side bends. Focus on planks, leg raises. Keep your core tight, not bulky. 3. Shoulder priority equals instant V-taper. If you want fast results, prioritize shoulders. Do lateral raises like this: lightweight, controlled reps, high volume, 15 to 20 reps. This builds that round, capped look, which makes your waist look smaller automatically. Think about it. Even if your waist stays the same size, bigger shoulders equals stronger V illusion. 4. Posture, the hidden cheat code. Most people ignore this, but it changes everything instantly. Bad posture equals rounded shoulders equals no V-shape. Fix it. Pull your shoulders back, keep chest up, slight arch in lower back. Boom. Instant aesthetic upgrade. You literally look better in seconds. 5. The final trick, retention payoff. Here's the one thing almost no one talks about: clothing and visual illusion. Wear slightly fitted shirts, darker colors around the waist, lighter or tighter around shoulders. This creates a stronger V-taper visually, even before your physique is fully built. That's why some guys look aesthetic even without insane muscle. So if you actually follow this, train lats and shoulders, keep your waist tight, fix your posture, use visual tricks, you won't just get bigger, you'll build that clean, sharp V-taper physique, fast. And remember, most people are training hard, but now you know how to train right.